Hey guys, we're back in the garage. We got a couple of big projects. Number one, I've got some new tires and wheels. These are Tusk Terabytes on Tusk Teton rims. These are beadlock rims. You can see what those look like, of course, compared to the old. And I'm in the process of doing a couple of things up front. Number one, I'm trying to adjust the alignment a little bit. I've had where the steering wheel is crooked, and so I've been doing some adjustments there. The other thing is I've got to get some new lug nuts. You can see these are a little tight, so easy enough to do. Basically, these are 19 millimeter. These are the factory. These are 19s, and 17s will fit in there. So got to run to the local auto parts store in just a little bit to get those. But we'll be putting those on. Also, too, I have got the replacement heater, and that came in yesterday. My dealer was absolutely fabulous about helping me out getting this taken care of. And you can see there is the correct part number, and part number here, part number here, part number here. And the guy was really funny yesterday. He said, yeah, we checked it, and then of course, even before I left, I actually opened the box. But I'll be doing another video, actually probably a pretty comprehensive video on the heater. But this afternoon's project, the immediate one, is getting the new tires and rims on, and I will definitely show you what that looks like. On the adjustment for the alignment, I've seen some videos online just going through and doing a couple of things. What I've been doing is I've got down here, and I've actually got it supported by the jack, and then also jack stands on each side. But what I did to do the adjustment is loosen up the 22 millimeter lock nut, go all the way up, and then count the threads. Steering wheel is centered. Count the threads, and then measure. I measured from this flat point here to the center over here on both sides. Got that even. Had to mainly just do some adjustment on this side, which is the one that's kind of giving me some trouble. But I did the adjustment over here, and did a little bit of adjustment on the passenger side. So anyway, we'll have to test it out when we got the new wheels on, and we'll see how we're tracking at that point. One note about the wheels, these are, you can see, these are 28 by 10. I did go with 14-inch rims. These were on sale with Rocky Mountain UTV, and for the entire set, shipping, everything included, they're pre-mounted. I also got the sealant and wheel balancer slime inside. So they are a little bit on the heavy side. They're about 50 pounds each, and so they're quite weighty. But one thing you will notice, I'll show you right here, as far as a size comparison, you can see the difference there, and a little bit more road tread. Still got the deep lugs, and on the wheel, so should still get some good kind of all-terrain traction. A little bit more height, and then of course, you know, a much different view on the side as well. So anyway, stay tuned, and we'll get these put on after I get some new lug nuts, and then afterwards we're going to be doing the heater as well as my electrical system 2.0, cleaning up the wiring and everything. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.